Ever struggle with glare on your e-reader screen? Tired of squinting at text in bright sunlight? Or maybe your eyes ache after hours of reading? Switching between books and notes feels clunky? And what about reading by the pool or in the bath? Worried about water damage ruining your device? Carrying heavy books everywhere is a hassle. Running out of storage for your growing library? Or missing out on audiobooks when your hands are busy? Meet the Kobo Sage, your new reading companion. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Its 8-inch HDE ink Carta touchscreen is glare-free. Read comfortably in any light, indoors or outdoors. Adjust brightness and color temperature with Comfort Light Pro. Reduce blue light for late-night reading sessions. Switch to dark mode to ease eye strain instantly. Waterproof design means you can read anywhere, worry-free. Lightweight and ergonomic, perfect for one-handed use. Page turn buttons keep your story flowing. Landscape or portrait, Kobo Sage feels right in your hand. Quad-core CPU and dual-band Wi-Fi mean fast performance. 32 GB storage holds thousands of books and documents. Seamlessly add ebooks and files wirelessly via Dropbox. Take handwritten notes directly on ebooks and PDFs. All notes are organized in the built-in notebook feature. Convert handwriting to clean text in seconds. Sync everything to the cloud for easy access. Bluetooth lets you listen to audiobooks hands-free. Enjoy stories while cooking, commuting, or relaxing. Before Kobo Sage, glare, eye strain, and heavy bags. After Kobo Sage, crisp, clear reading anywhere, anytime. Before, worrying about spills or water damage. After, confidently read by the pool or in the bath. Before, struggling to take notes on paper. After, effortlessly jot notes right on your e-reader. Before, switching devices for audiobooks. After, listen directly from your Kobo Sage via Bluetooth. Before, limited storage and constant deleting. After, 32 GB means your library is always with you. Before, tired eyes from harsh blue light. After, adjustable color temperature for comfortable reading. Before, flipping pages with two hands. After, page turn buttons for easy one-handed reading. Before, notes scattered everywhere. After, all your notes neatly in one place. Before, slow, laggy performance. After, fast, responsive reading experience. Before, struggling to read in bright sunlight. After, glare-free screen for ultimate clarity. Before, carrying multiple devices. After, all-in-one reading and note-taking tool. Before, missing out on the latest tech. After, enjoying advanced features every day. Kobo Sage is designed for devoted readers. Perfect for tech enthusiasts and note-takers alike. It's sleek, lightweight, and built for comfort. Read, write, and listen, all with one device. No more eye strain or glare. No more heavy bags or lost notes. No more worrying about water or storage. Just pure, uninterrupted reading joy. Upgrade your reading experience today. Discover the Kobo Sage and see the difference. Ready to read anywhere, anytime? Ready to take notes and listen on the go? Ready for a smarter, more comfortable e-reader? Don't settle for less. Choose Kobo Sage. Click the link to learn more. Experience better reading, better notes, and more freedom. Kobo Sage, where technology meets your imagination. Get yours now and read without limits.